So let's see together how to ask for something in French. First option, I would like a coffee. Je voudrais un café. Je voudrais un café. Je voudrais un café. So you can see that as in English here you've got the conditional form voudrais, so it's vouloir in the conditional. So it's really polite in that case. It's really a polite way to ask for a coffee. Second option, I would like to have a coffee. J'aimerais avoir un café. J'aimerais avoir un café. J'aimerais avoir un café. In that situation, it's quite interesting because if you look at it, so you have the verb aimer. Aimer, it's to like or to love. But then when we use it like we do here in the conditional form, it's possible to use it for this I would like concept. Okay? So this is the reason why I wanted to introduce it here. J'aimerais avoir un café. This is really polite too. I could have a coffee. Je pourrais prendre un café. Je pourrais prendre un café. Je pourrais prendre un café. So in that situation, same thing here. It is polite. We are putting the verb pouvoir, can. We're using the verb pouvoir in the conditional form. Je pourrais, I could, and then the rest. So it's really nice. It's a nice way to say that, yes, I could have a coffee. Would you have croissant? Auriez-vous des croissants? Auriez-vous des croissants? Auriez-vous des croissants? Same thing here. I'm putting the verb to have. I'm putting the conditional form just to make it really polite. So it's a polite way to ask if the person has some croissant for you because you like to enjoy them. And the last one, do you have croissants? Vous avez des croissants. Vous avez des croissants. Vous avez des croissants. So remember, you raise your voice at the end because we keep the same order. So we put the subject and the verb. So you need to raise your voice at the end to make it clear that, well, it's not an affirmation, but it's a question. Okay? In that case, obviously, because you can see that even if I'm using the vous, I'm still using the present. So I mean, in the category that we saw, it's the least formal and polite way. It's still extremely okay. I mean, it's really correct to say that. Never go for the tu if you don't know the person. I mean, this is the only thing that you really need to remember. So keep the vous. I mean, like here, vous avez des croissants. Don't forget to raise your voice in the end. Merci beaucoup.